Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this Adobe Spark course. In this lecture I am going to show you one of the final options that you have with Adobe Spark, and that is if you are upgrading to the premium account and you can add your own branding to all of your projects. Now how you do that: after you log into your dashboard, you will see an option here which says add brand. If you select that add brand option, this is what is going to happen. Okay. First of all, you will have to select your logo, and I chose one as an example for you. Let's say that we want to use, let me find something. Okay, this icon as a logo, the App Store. The colors, let's say we want blue colors, and we can see here the preview of the branding, right? And the type of font that we want to use. Okay, specific type of font. So basically this is going to be like our visual elements for our brand. And then if you pray next, this option will appear for us. And for those of us who want to use this for branding purposes and to use Adobe Spark with its premium features, we can click on the upgrade now option, and we can just pay for the premium versions and have branding as well. Okay, this was pretty much it. We thank you very much for watching this course and these lectures. We hope this was useful for you. We are looking forward to see you in our next courses and lectures as well. Bye bye for now.